With the current scenario that's actually going on between India and Pakistan, you guys are aware of that, right?
Yeah.
Any message that you all have as fellow Indians to your fellow Pakistanis, the general public of Pakistan?
I mean, no message in particular. I mean, they're all chill people, man. Apart from the government, I think it's just the people. The people are all chill with each other. It's just the governments that are all making all these misconceptions and, you know, giving oil to all the fire.
One message I'd like to give, so my father's in the army.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, and a lot of people are asking for war.
Yeah.
So, and I really am against that, obviously, because they don't know what we go through or what people go through. And I would just like, obviously, of course, I hear stories from my father, but I would love it if people would just have compassion between the two countries and like stop asking for war. That's the last thing we need.
War won't benefit anybody. So.
We aren't against Pakistanis, we're against terrorism. And as is being clarified a lot of times, we didn't invade Pakistan, we went to Pakistan occupied Kashmir, which is technically a part of India.
Yeah.
So it's not like we're going against their sovereignty.
Yeah.
We are just doing what is necessary to protect our own country. So we don't have anything against them. We love them as much as we love our own people. As long as they don't harm us, we don't want to harm them.
At the most, we can hope that there'll be peace amongst both the countries and no hostility between the people. Like, okay, you're an Indian, I don't want to have anything to do with you. That kind of attitude.
There are terrorists and there are Pakistanis. We hate the terrorists. We love Pakistanis. They're like our brothers and sisters, man. Peace to everyone.
Talking about war, and I mean, because you've come from an army family, I mean, how difficult is it for you for having your parent actually not with you? And actually, if you know there's an unrest like war, I mean, what goes on in you? I mean, what happens with you?
Yeah, so my father's posted somewhere, I can't tell you, but
Yeah,
like
of course.
somewhere near
Somewhere
Pathankot.
in-
Yeah,
yeah,
so
okay.
areas where there are attacks. So obviously every time somebody talks about it so casually, like, oh, there should be a war and there should be attacks, and you know, you yourself just feel so scared.
Yeah.
And I know that there have been threats in areas where my dad has been posted, and that just really scares me. Obviously he doesn't tell me about it,
Of course.
but as somebody who's from their family, you're always a little scared. And
You've always got
always
panic.
in tension. So
Yeah.
yeah. When
So, I
people
mean,
talk about the army so casually, it really just bothers me.
so do you think India should go to war?
No, there should be peace.
No.
No?
This is simple no.
Why would you say that?
Okay, so like right now what's going on? Indian army is like attacking the terrorist bases, right? But I've seen this in newspaper. They put the headline as Indian army attacking Pakistan, but it's not attacking Pakistan. It's they're attacking the terrorist base in
Those are
Pakistan.
surgical attacks.
So it all depends on who you're fighting against.
और मेरा जो मामा है वो नेवी में काम करता
I
है.
see.
सो ही गॉट दैट न्यूज़ कि बेसिकली वो जो अटॉर्नी जनरल था और अटॉर्नी जनरल सम डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ही जस्ट सेड कि मुझे बस 29 मिनट चाहिए, 29 मिनट्स एंड आई विल गेट यू पाकिस्तान.
Wow.
ही सेड दैट कि आई जस्ट वांट 29 मिनट्स एंड आई विल गेट यू पाकिस्तान. बट दैट 29 मिनट्स वो कितना आगे इंडिया को अफेक्ट करेगा वी कांट से. अगर हिरोशिमा नागासाकी आज भी वो बॉम्ब्स का इफेक्ट सहन कर रहा है तो व्हाट वी कैन से अबाउट इंडिया.
Exactly.
War might seem like a chance for us to get back at them. I mean, that's how it seems to everybody right now. But I really don't think that is the answer. As long as we can all solve this amicably without any particular violence, I think that should be the way out.
You have somebody in the armed services. How is it for the family? I mean, what does the family go through? अगर war पे भी जाते हैं, what happens to your mama and your family, his family?
एक्चुअली द थिंग इज कि जब मामा निकलता है सुबह देन ही ओनली सेज मी जा रहा हूँ एंड एवरीबडी सेज आऊँगा मैं शाम को. सो जब वो जाता है वी डोंट नो एनीथिंग कि वो आएगा या नहीं आएगा. दैट्स द थिंग.
जिगर चाहिए यार. I mean, the family needs a big heart for that.
Yeah, sure.
So all this other controversy also happening that people from Pakistan staying in India should go back to Pakistan. I mean, what are your views on that?
I don't mind them working in India, man. As long as they're all enjoying it and we're all liking their work, why not? They're all artists mostly, so I don't think something like this should come in between art and all this. So.
That's probably because we are giving them our money.
Okay.
So that is like indirectly going to Pakistan as well, because that's like their, where they come from. So that is probably why the entire issue of not letting Pakistani artists perform in India has come about.
Yeah, but I have a different view on that, because if they can stay here and condemn the Paris attack, why can't they condemn the Indian attack over here?
You're regressing, you're not
Yeah.
progressing if you're asking them to go back.
Yes.
This is the way to connect back, like from when we've been partitioned, and now they're just like go back. So I don't see how it's helping anyone.
कि देखो भाई डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री है, वी कांट से कि यार तू पाकिस्तानी है इसलिए तू बाहर निकल. ठीक है, दे हैव टेकन सिटीजनशिप ऑफ इंडिया, सो दे हैव राइट टू लिव इन इंडिया.
Correct. Visa जो भी
वीजा जो भी हो, दे हैव राइट टू लिव इन इंडिया, सो वी कांट फोर्स देम दैट ए तू निकल जा चला. तू मुसलमान है, तू पाकिस्तान में निकल जा. It's totally wrong, man. It's totally wrong.
I think as long as it's legal, we're good. Please don't just occupy our place. Come here, be legal, get a visa. We're more than welcoming all of you.
Yeah, I think we need to listen to more of Coke Studio and promote that because
Yeah, that's actually
and play more cricket because it's fun. So yeah,
It gets people together.
yeah.
You have to remember that to take away darkness, there has to be light. Dark does not take away dark.
Of course not.
So spread peace to take away the terrorism. Don't become terrorists to take away terrorism.
Nicely said.